How to start a vegan lifestyle. If you're considering adopting a vegan lifestyle, it's critical to conduct a study prior to making the switch. Here are some useful guidelines for beginning the switch from omnivore to vegan. To begin, educate yourself about the vegan lifestyle. You'll need to consider alternative sources of protein if you don't consume meat or fish. Prior to making any adjustments, it's critical to envision what your new vegan lifestyle will look like. Are you looking for alternatives to all animal products in your life, or are there a few you're happy to keep? Many individuals prefer to make gradual adjustments rather than drastic ones, which frequently helps them ease into their new diet and ensures that they stick with it for good. Another way to test the waters with a vegan diet is to try it for a week or month. While many meat eaters choose to ignore this, for those of us with a conscience, a plant-based diet is the only viable alternative. Understanding why you've chosen to become a vegan is critical for staying the course when temptation comes. If you discover that you are enthusiastic about veganism, it may be beneficial for you to connect with others who have made or are currently making this journey. Please share this video with your friends.